That was kind of tough. What?
That's his rolling anti-lag.
Yeah, that was kind of tough.
Alright, tell the YouTube video. What are we doing right now?
Alright, boys, we are headed to Wawa for the pre-meet. Do a little Supercar meet and rally. You already know the deal. I don't even know what's going to be there.
It should be like a couple McLarens, Porsches, some M3s, just the usual.
Bunch of M's, yeah. Good stuff. Probably all modded stuff. It'd be pretty cool at night. You know, I got the flames at the back. Maybe we'll get a video. I mean, you can hear those are all flames. Sounds fucking sick. But yeah, so we're hitting this pre-meet at Wawa, then we're cruising over to the actual meet at a different location. So we'll be able to get the cruise, we'll be able to get the meet and the pre-meet. So everything gonna be a pretty chill night. Saturday night, you already know the vibes. What do we got here?
Little Carrera or something. Yo.
Alright, boys, so we're pulling up right now, and low-key, a solid lineup. Where should I park? Oh, shit.
Shit. Just park up wherever. Yeah.
Valid links, boys. There's hella cars here that weren't on the list.
Yes, sir.
Valid GT500, I think that is. Alright, boys, so we're posted up. Looking pretty good, as you can see, is a R8 and a Cayman over there. Low-key the same color. Yeah, we're gonna walk around the meet and everything, but just a little preview. What is that, 720?
Yeah, it is.
720, GT500. Some sick specs over there. I'm about to walk over there. GT3, SF90. But yeah, we're just gonna have to go over there and see. But yeah, we're posted up. This is just a pre-meet, so I'm not posting up with the cars yet, but we'll go take a look. You guys saw most of everything, but everything's modded, more tuned, sounds incredible. Y'all saw the rollout. So super excited to get to the actual meet and see what else pulls up. But yeah, we're just cruising right now and just logging traffic.
some cops or what?
We do see cops. I don't know if they're in the middle of the road or not, but this is like the deepest cruise I've ever done at night. Yeah, this is nuts.
Yep.
Let's see what's happening.
It's because the NPCs are switching lanes.
It's hard to tell who's with us and who's not.
I know.
Alright boys, so we're getting to the beat now. See, we're behind the GTR right now. I mean, it's absolutely packed out. As you can see, like, it's trouble getting in right now. Probably one of the craziest, like, chill night meetings. Like, this is like low-key, if you know type of meet.
Exactly.
Like, crazy turnout. I just like how everything's modded. No one car is the same. You're not getting like a base Evo. Like, nah, like, dude, you got a Mansour Urus right there. Super cool meet. I hope you guys are enjoying. Can't wait to show you what's actually there, not just the pre-meet. So,
Nah! Is that Max?
what's up, guys? What's up?
What up? What are we doing?
Larp Central on the Go Yummy Maybach.
What are we doing, bro? You got the gap cam on the slow ass Stang. This is absolutely retarded, bro. We got an E60 M5.
Dude, there's so many cars here.
This is deep.
Yo! Yo!
Right now.
Yo! That works.
Show the candy. Won't we? We got some candy. Okay.
Not parking the meet, bro.
Okay. We found the nicer cars. So we're about to try this candy. It should
right here.
Should be fentanyl laced.
Oh wait, I can go right next to this.
Oh, it's a one-of-one motorsports. It's pretty cool. And he's supercharged, which is pretty sick. He'll probably pop his head later. What does it taste like?
It tastes like gum, but it's not gum.
It's scum. Hold it for me. I'm gonna take one out. I'm gonna take one out.
Dude, I'm gonna walk out of this.
Interesting. Oh, it's like gummy.
Yeah, but it tastes
It
like
does taste like gum. That's really weird. Interesting.
Boys, we just parked up. We're about to go walk around now. some morons revving in OD in there. I don't even know what they were driving. But yeah, no, it was really cool, fun meeting. I think the best part was cruising over there with the supercars. I didn't really get a good spot inside the meeting, so it was kind of an L, but overall a good day. So we're just gonna head back to the crib, chill out for a bit. It's getting pretty late, so just a calm Saturday evening. Let me know if I should go to more meets like this, if y'all like this type of content over the driving, and if y'all want to see a full-on review of the Turbo GT, pros and cons type video. And I'll be hopefully driving some other cool stuff along the way as well. But appreciate Tim